Some talking but more walking.
So as you leave Big C, you walking along the Ratchaprasong Skywalk, and then you make a left here. On your right, you can see the CentralwOrld. This area in front of CentralwOrld has seen many protests, the biggest one being the 2010 political protests in Thailand. Previously, actually, CentralwOrld was known as World Trade Center, and then it was acquired from Wang Pachapun Company by Central Group, and then they renamed it CentralwOrld in 2007. Technically, it's the 9th largest shopping center in the world. So we're walking along this Ratchaprasong walk, and then you make a left here, and you will see Gaysorn Village. As soon as you enter, you'll see this escalator. You just go up the escalator. Then you make a right at the top of the escalator, and then you walk all the way down. Once you see the Starbucks, right, you can exit the mall. Then you go down this escalator, Gaysorn Walk. Make a right at the bottom of the escalator. This is the famous BTS Skywalk. It goes from, so technically you can walk from Siam BTS Station all the way to Chitlom BTS Station. So we're gonna make a quick detour. I want to show you guys something. This is the famous Bangkok Erawan Shrine. So this shrine was built in 1956. It's adjoined to the Erawan Hotel. So basically they created this shrine to ward off bad karma because they launched the hotel on the wrong and inauspicious date. So there are lots of people who actually believe that if you make a wish here, your wish will come true. But nevertheless, this place has also faced a lot of controversy. So in 2006, there was a young Thai man suffering mental health issues, and essentially what he did was he went to vandalize the statue there, and he was beaten to death by the angry mob, of course. And they found actually Muslim inscriptions on his arms, so they thought maybe linked to some Muslim terrorist activity. However, they realized actually he was suffering from psychiatric problems. And then in 2015, there was the bombing by the Grey Wolves, the East Turkmenistan terrorists. They bombed this shrine, and I think a few people died as well. So, but obviously they rebuilt it, and yeah, it's still standing here. So right now we are walking to Chitlom Station. The walkway that goes out on the right leads to the Erawan Bangkok Hotel. This mall is also Gaysorn, but it's Gaysorn Amarin. And this is the Chitlom BTS Station. Let me show you guys how to buy tickets for the BTS. So basically, if you don't have coins, you can go to the counter to change coins, like what I'm doing right now. Fortunately, not all of the BTS stations, the ticket machine can take notes. So that's why you have to change to coins. Nana station.
Nana.
And at some of the BTS station, you may just be able to buy the ticket stub, the token, directly from the counter itself. So once you've purchased your train ticket, you can just tap the card on the reader itself, and then you just go through the turnstile. Yeah. So of course we are taking the train to Nana from Chitlom. Technically we have to go to Keha station, that direction. You'll see there's these signages that show you the train where we are from. So we are Chitlom, Lonchit, Nana, and the last station is Keha. So look out for that. Okay, the train is here. Let me quickly run. Okay, so we just arrived at Nana station. Okay, when you are going out from the train stations, right, turnstiles, right? So earlier when you went in, you tap your card, but when you're going out, you're going to slot your card into the reader turnstile itself, and then from there, the turnstile gate will open. So here we are at the famous Nana. So this is where I usually stay, City Lodge Soy 9. So please like, follow and subscribe. See you in the next video.